Hey web travelers, for today's video I've bought some mystery packages of God Story cards. Once we've seen what's inside, I'm gonna search a price of the card that I think of worth something, and after that you'll see what I paid for this random bulk and estimated pricing of all cards that we've seen. Enough talking, let's freaking go. Let's start with this one. I looked at the packages. Once I get them, I open them only to see what's inside. I don't look at any cards or whatever, because I ordered a lot of shit. I need to know which one I got and which I don't. That one is the only one who is using like kind of real packaging, like giving you a real feel for a pack. The other ones are just loose cards. So this one is kind of heavier, this one, so I don't freaking remember if I ordered two different ones. But let's see. Oh, that's cool, man. That's like got a story, but not an official pack. And also not an official Got the Story cards, I guess. I don't mind that, but okay, that's from Maiden Party. I will not get prices for all of them. I will just, because it will take me forever. But I will only look at the ones that I think are worth something. Probably 02, which is a nice card to get. I have not seen it. Maybe I didn't open the box from where they are from. And I think 02 will be worth something. Skathesh, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's from Fate, so it might be worth something. Beach Go is definitely jack shit, because that's like just a random character. I don't know who that is. It's looking hella sexy. So okay, and at the very end we have also someone I don't know, but it looks great. To pricing them, I will look at eBay and I will look at sold items, because you can price them whatever you want, but if nobody is buying them, it wouldn't mean much. So we can see that 02 goes for this amount of money. I mean, let's say, to be on the safe end, let's just say $6. Oh, yeah, I told you it would cost something. Okay. Somebody bought a Beach Go for $1. You crazy bastard. Why did you do that? Yeah, that's the Wharf that we have right now from the first package. Let's go to the second one, and I hope this one will be Got a Story, although Maiden Party is also good. And this one is more thick, so it is a Got a Story, as I can see. And probably we will get some R cards, that's why it's more cards than the other one, because the other one starts with SSR. Hey, we actually have a promo card, it's a nice one. That would be pain in the ass to search for, although I think. This one, they are all sleeved, interesting. And I think that was the hit. I think the others, like, I'm not gonna search up for this one, because I don't think this one is worth anything. Those leaves are really disgusting. I don't know why, but this one might be worth something. So yeah, I will search for that one. And okay, hey, okay, I've seen that as before. And ooh, okay, so I would say these ones are not worth anything. Okay, this card is actually isn't sold whatsoever. I would assume that normal error of Jeanne d'Arc will be like around $1. But because it's the first box, I think it would be more worth. Because you can't even probably find it online. Or I'm being really dumb. I mean, I can do this and then see if people have her selling. Okay, there's not a single soul on eBay right now. I would assume this one really will be like more value than $1, so I will put it probably around 3. I think that's the max you can get for Jeanne d'Arc. And this is where you're wrong, best TCG comrade. I, TCG comrade from future, found this. It is sold for $50, but it doesn't mean it will sell for this amount next time. So in the sake of this video, I will not change the estimate value of this card. And then we need to see who that is. Not even sold. That's a good sign. If I get a PR, does it work? What? For $15? Bruh, come on. Is it the same seller? Yeah, you crazy, man. But that's it, and nobody buying it, so nah, I don't think it will be worth that much. I honestly don't know how popular this anime is, So to estimate a price, I will put it around $5, I think. I would say, surprisingly, God Story gave us less value than Maiden Party. So that's interesting. But maybe the hits were just shit, because outside of Jeanne d'Arc, I don't think we got something worth mentioning. So let's go to another seller and another package, and this one is really slim. I don't know why. Maybe because they have like only shinies in here. That's might be why. Whoa, okay, god damn, that's a good one. I actually pulled it not too long ago in my videos, so now I have double. That's freaking amazing. What the fuck? I think it's a popular character, it's a popular anime, and it's a kind of good card, so paid here, let's go. That would cost maybe around $10 or $15, so that's already the value getting back. An SSR and another SSR, all from the same set. There's only 3 of them, but that's a good hit. Darkness. This one I know. Okay, sold for $6. Never mind. It needs to be more expensive. Or nobody just gives a shit about Aqua and Darkness, and everyone is just going for freaking Mega Man. Probably, but okay, yeah, alright. $6. I mean, it's good. Don't get me wrong, it's better than the other ones. But I expected kind of more. That is Mami Tomoa from Madoka Magica. Mami, whatever, Mami. Do we have Mami? Yeah, for $2 and $1 and $9, bro. What the fuck? And $3. I mean, how long ago was $10? 3 August. It is more likely, yeah, we just go the middle ground and go for $3, I think, because it sold for 1, 2, 3, and then 10, like that's insane. Just $3. Okay, we have 6 and 3, that's 9. And then the last card in this package is Durandal, and it is sold for 3, 10, and 3. Very interesting. On the same day, somebody sold it for 10 and another one from 3, and both are from United States. Like, explain that. You are sure to sell it for 3 because 2 people bought it for 3. So $3, which is nice total actually. That's this one is that's a good one. And for now we have 2 packages left, and they are more thick. So I think we will get more junk. I already see junk. So yeah, and sadly the hit is up front, so that's the best card we are getting here. And then we have is this Fate? Is this also Fate? Yeah, that's Fate. That's Mash, I believe. Okay. Oh, that's a nice one. Ooh, okay, more Fate. Fate is a good money maker. And then we have our air pile. So I'm not gonna search it up for now. Not a single character that I see I think would be more worth than $1. That is Kiyohime. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's go for $2.50. So this one is $2.50. That's okay. And then I want to see this one. That's Jeanne d'Arc again. I saw somewhere like once this card, but I don't know if it was sold or if it was selling. Are the people selling this card? That's also the question.
1 eternity later.
Yeah, there you go. Somebody is trying to sell it for $10, but brother, you are not going get there for this one. I would say this one is little less than the promo card that we had in value, and this 3 I will not search up right now, but I will do it in the edit. So now we will see the total for this stack, and then the last one. Also a pile, and probably also the hit up front. If that's the hit, that's bad news. That's bad news. But this one is thick. I got probably a lot of random shit in it. Let's see. Okay. And super rare right here. Right there. Shooting water at me. Okay. Okay, oh nice leg, I like this one. Okay, a lot of super rares, which is kinda nice, kinda neat, but also worthless. Maybe it's all super rares, that would be kinda cool. But also, no, okay, it's not all super rares, those were the hits, okay. And now for the airs. Come on, give me something good, give me a popular character, like 02 is always nice. Damn! Holy shit! Which set is that? What the fuck? Damn, this might sell. I don't fucking know. Oh, that's an interesting design. Okay, cool. It might, but I don't think it might be. Oh, that's a Pokemon card. I don't even have that. That's kind of cool. And then you will see it, the total price of this one right now. So we have a stack where the super rare was the big hit, then the SSR, then the promo card. It's a shame, it's a little bit shitty promo card, but whatever. Then we had the PTR, and we had one not even got a story mystery pack. As we now look at the estimated profit, we can see that the most value was the biggest bulk, not a result that I expected. However, there's a big catch here. You'll need to sell those cards first. I assume that, for example, Maiden Party cards would be easier to sell than some random R cards from God a Story. So I believe in terms of actual profit, Maiden Party would be better value in this case. Thank you for watching this. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed it and if you want to do more that kind of stuff, so I can, you know, explore that kind of area and maybe do the same shit again. Thank you, the legends, for watching this. I will see you in another one, Web Traveler.